Roamy from South East Slings. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Boba X Carrier to carry a newborn. So here I've got the Boba X Carrier. Now this is a really adjustable carrier, so what I'm going to do is put it on the narrowest setting. How you do this is you open up the waistband, the Velcro here, and you're going to slide the fabric across so it's at the narrowest part of the Velcro on here. So do the same on both sides. I'm then going to clip this around my waist. So turn this around, bring it around behind and clip. Now I generally wear this on my hips. It's up to you where you find most comfortable. So for most women you'd probably wear it on your hips. For taller dads you might wear it a little bit higher. So sit this so it's sitting level front to back. Now I'm going to wear this with the straps done up straight for this carry, just because I find it a bit more comfortable. You can also cross the straps on the Boba X, and if you look at one of my other videos it shows you how to wear crossing straps on a carrier. So the straps are done up straight like a rucksack. The first time you use it you want to adjust the straps, so I'm just going to put these straps over my shoulders and do this little clip up behind my neck, which is this one here. And all I'm going to do is the first time I use it just tighten it up by putting on this side strap, just to get these straps to lie flat on your shoulders. It's just the first time you use it so you get it adjusted to fit you. While this is up here, I'm going to tighten up the front setting on these. So I'm just going to feed the slack through. So feed the webbing up through here and tighten the carrier down so it's at the shortest setting. So this piece here is at the shortest, and do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm going to feed any extra webbing up through like that and bring this straight down. So the body is now at its shortest setting on here with the fabric just folded up in there. So this is now pretty much set for baby. Make sure you've got enough space that you're going to fit the baby in there. I'm just going to undo the clip and bring this back down. If you felt there was a little bit tight, you can always loosen these off on the back. So the clips on the back of the strap there, just loosen the webbing slightly if you need to. Right, I'm now going to get my baby. So, hold your baby on your front. Now a newborn will generally tuck its little knees up at hip width apart, so you're literally supporting baby in the position they naturally adopt. You want their head on your upper chest. You're going to slide your hand under the base of the carrier so it comes between their legs and bring it up over their bottom and back. Keep them supported with one hand while you put one strap over one shoulder like that, and do exactly the same with the other side. Bring this up like this. And check baby is held relatively securely, and then you can reach up behind your neck to find the clip. So I'm reaching up here and clipping it like that. Okay, you're going to take hold of the straps behind and just pull these straight down and forwards to tighten the straps up. So you want these holding baby as tightly as if you were holding baby in your arms. Because you've already adjusted this clip behind your neck, these should be sitting at the correct width for your shoulders. So tightening it up will keep those at a comfortable distance on your shoulders, and now baby is held nice and snug. Now the most important thing with any carrier is you can see baby's face and they've got clear airways. You want to make sure the carrier goes no higher than the nape of baby's neck and that their face is unobstructed. You also want to check they're held as tightly as a cuddle in arms. So the way to check that is if you rest your hand on the back of their head and gently lean forwards, their body shouldn't pull away from you. If it does, just tighten up the straps. Position wise, check baby is in a nice ergonomic position, so ideally with their bottom lower than or level with their knees. If you need to, just take hold of their thighs and give a little tilt. So we're just going to go like this to tilt them into a seated position so that they're in a nice curled up position with no pressure on their tummy. Hands are likely to be up by their face, they can suck on their fists. So I'm just going to bring this doll's hand up here. So they've got their hands up there. With a real baby, they will naturally put their hands where they want them. That's essentially it. So to take the carrier off, what you're going to do is reach around behind and unclip this, like that. Bring one strap off one shoulder, one off the other, and then hold baby on the inside of the carrier. Now with the straps, I'm just going to put baby down. With the straps, they can be left as they are, so next time you're ready to put baby back in exactly that position and all you need to do is clip behind your neck. If you found this was a little bit high, this strap here or a little bit low when you came to do it up and unclip it, you can just slide this up and down on the runners here. So I had it at the very top setting, which is probably where you'd want to start with unless you're very tall, but you can obviously choose whereabouts you want it to go. So for me, that was sitting about right. If I wanted to slide it down, and slide it up and down there. And that's how to use the Boba X Carrier for a newborn.